guys, so this is test of my DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and I also got wireless mic to it. So the wireless mic came in this box, DJI Mic Mini from Amazon. Looks like this, and then it comes in case. So case looks like this. You can press this button when it opens, supposedly. Let's see. Inside it comes with two mics. This way. Two different mics. Thingy for camera, and this is for phone, but my phone is not with USB-C but with lightning, so this will not work with phone, but this will work with camera. Here's one receiver, this is receiver, this is audio, and here's audio. We also come with this iPhone jack, camera connection with receiver and the charging cord. Here is, they give you 4 different covers for mics that you can cover, and they give you also a nice pouch. Look guys, looks like this. But then inside it looks like this, so you can put your accessories. And I connected mic wirelessly. I hope the audio work. 1, 2, 3. La la la. Yeah, it works because I see the green line on top of my recording. That means it should work. And it has that blue light here. I think it's linked to this Osmo Pocket. So yeah, this was separately, not with this Osmo Pocket, it was separately on Amazon. It was $70 something. And today is a nice day. We still have snow that didn't melted yet. I can show you. Look guys. Still didn't melt it. But some of it did. Maybe by the March it will melt. By the March, I don't know. Face auto detect. What's this? Dynamic framing push joystick. Press 5D button. And what's this? Snapshot. Rotate camera. Okay. So now it's face tracking my face. And when I put you here on table, will it, or here, will it be tracked? Yes, it's still tracking. That's cool. Test 1, 2, 3, test 1, 2, 3. Okay. And here is the snow tilted and melted. It's all around. So we have much snow tilted and melted. Winter Wonderland. Yeah, so that's the Winter Wonderland. And here is my thingies that I have to eat. My soup and dumplings. Soup dumplings. I need fork. Soup dumplings, but with what sauce? Maybe with ragu. Yummy. Or maybe with some other sauce.
I'm so sorry.
Okay.
After they die, I still will pay bills. I had this other stuff. I just sort of left by this place. It must have been awful. It was.
With this one.
I promised myself I would never put myself in that position, you know? Tied up in financial knots. Here I am. But I also promised myself that it would not cook, and I can barely figure out how to learn how to. This movie looks good.
Okay, so I coming where to watch.
It's fucking moist. It's cold though, I'll tell you that.
Because I lower heat when I was doing that. When you spray, now I can make it up. Okay, that's my mini vlog to test the connection, audio connection, and small vlog. See you later, bye bye.